Okay, let's make a start. This is IELTS speaking part 1, and I'm going to ask you a number of different questions and you got to answer. Do you work or study?
I work.
What do you do?
I am an MPhil student. I MPhil in human rights, my favorite subject. It's a vast area of research, and many author also publish have a great publication on this
Okay,
topic.
thank you. Do you usually help other people?
Sometimes I offer help other people's, but sometimes it is not possible for me, lack of time and many other reasons I don't support this.
Okay, you have grammatical mistakes. This is not possible for me, lack of time. It should have been, this is not possible for me due to lack of time. So you are going to communicate in proper sentences, not just words. Okay, let's go on. How can we teach children to help others?
uh, it depends on circumstances. Maybe it's a growing habit. Student teach from their parents and other surrounding people. Mostly they teach in school, their parents, and different other ways.
All right, you're using wrong verbs. You said like children teach, children learn,
Learn.
and then you said it depends. That's wrong. It depends. So grammatical mistakes and whatever you're speaking, you should be clear about that, right? Now let's go on. Do you help your neighbors?
Yes, I help our neighbors because neighbors also. Neighbors play important role in our lives. In our bad times, they also help us, and it's a traditional of our society. We help our neighbors.
Okay, that's okay. Now we move on to IELTS speaking part 2. This is your topic, and you will have to speak on this topic for 1 to 2 minutes. So please, you can start.
In that English lesson, our the teacher introduced us about the literature and biography. Our teacher the journey on through this lecture, we debates and discussion and on about our favorite lesson, analyze through our themes and characters, divine deep in novels. Teacher encouraged us our critical and analytical approach to express interpretation freely. और सेकंड था कि मोस्ट ऑफ द वन ऑफ द मोस्ट enjoyable lesson was the biography of Nelson Mandela in this.
Okay, thank you. It sounds like you're giving answer from your memory. You have memorized it and now you're trying to pose it as if you're speaking. So if you give answer from your memory, examiner will give you very low band score, okay? And you don't need to add Nelson Mandela or anyone like that. The topic is describe an English class. Focus the class, focus the lesson. And first you need to give the subject, then you say that lesson was very, which lesson? We don't know. First talk about the lesson and then give the details, okay? All right, let's move on to speaking part 3. Would you like to learn another language in the future?
Yes, I am. I because I am a creative person. I also interested in other language, in other languages. First, nowadays I learn about English, and in future I also interested in other language.
Okay, I interested in other languages. Wrong sentence. I am
Interest.
interested in other languages. So you've got a lot of mistakes in your English. You need to brush up all these mistakes, okay? Thank you so much.